Your Genesis GV60 is equipped with a convenient wireless charging system, allowing simple charging of Qi-enabled mobile devices. The wireless charging system is available only if all doors are closed and the vehicle is turned to the on or start position. The wireless charging pad can be found in front of the center armrest storage area. Place your Qi-enabled mobile device directly onto an available wireless charging pad, and the indicator light will illuminate when charging takes place. It can be helpful to remove phone cases and ensure that your smartphone is positioned as close to the middle of the charging pad as possible. This ensures maximum charging capability as well as reduced heat conduction. On select smart devices, the cluster display will show a warning message if the device is still left on the wireless charging after the vehicle is turned off and the front door is opened. The wireless charging system can be turned off or on by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Convenience, and then selecting or deselecting Wireless Charging System for mobile devices. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.